Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss the another experiment of the paper one, that is the traveling microscope. To use the traveling microscope to determine the Borg element and the diameter of the given capillary tube. Traveling microscope and capillary we required procedure is there. Traveling microscope is used to determine the small distance to an accuracy of the 0.00 centimeter. The measurement principle is based on the principle of Vernier. In a typical traveling microscope, the main scale divisions are of magnitude 0.05 centimeter in bracket 0.5 millimeter each, and the vernier scale contains the 50 divisions. For determination of the diameter of the capillary along the horizontal direction, mount the capillary tube in the horizontal direction in a stand with the help of the rubber cork to place and hold the capillary tube. Rotate the microscope so that it is horizontal and in line with the tip of the capillary tube. Now looking through the microscope, turn the focusing screw to get a clear image of the capillary tube. Now adjust the microscope in such a way that the vertical cross wire coincide with the left end of the capillary tube. Take the reading. In the horizontal scale, look the zero of the vernier and find out the division on the main scale just before the zero mark. Note it as the MSR, main scale reading. MSR is nothing but the main scale reading. Now look carefully at the vernier. Any one of the 50 lines will come exactly in line with the one of the lines of the main scale. That division on the vernier scale, that reading will be the vernier scale reading. Note it down in the observation table. The telescope horizontally focus on the right end of the capillary tube. Again take the reading as before. Repeat the experiment by moving the telescope vertically coinciding the horizontal crosswire with top and bottom, and now the readings are taken on the vertical scale. From the observation you will get two values of diameter, one for vertical and one for horizontal. Then the smallest division of the main scale is 0.05 centimeter. Total number of divisions on the vernier scales are the 50. Therefore least count of the traveling microscope is the smallest division of the main scale divided by the total division of the vernier scale, which is equal to 0.05 by 50, that is a 0.001 centimeter. Okay, here the diagram is shown. You can see the traveling microscope diagram of the traveling microscope. Okay, how that we can take in the lab, we can see the traveling microscope, but now you have to draw this diagram. Here you can see this is the traveling microscope. Okay, in the lab we can see actual traveling microscope. Here you have to draw the diagram. Just that table you have to report. In the observation table you have to write these things. Main scale reading in centimeter A, 3.7, 3.6. These three readings are taken at different points. Then the then vernier scale reading are there, means divisions. Then we have to multiply by the least count. Then you will get the vernier scale reading. Then you have to add in the main scale. Then that it will give you the final reading. Okay. After taking the mean of that, you can say the this is the diameter of the capillary, and the result you have to write down the that mean of this particular 3.74, 3.65, 3.95. You have to take the mean of this here, and you have to write the diameter of this particular capillary tube is that centimeter. Okay, this is about the your experiment number 3. Now in the experiment number 4, you have to collect the information of at least 5 physicists with their work. Report that in journal. 5 scientists you have to take from the physics field, and you have to report in the journal. Same you can note it in the journal. Homi Baba Jahangir is there. Okay, this whatever the written in this thing particular part is there. You can continue with the same things in the journal. Okay, same part you can, same five scientists you can write down in the journal whatever given to you. Please complete this part. Okay, here the practicals are finished. You have to complete this on after the 15 Jan, I think so, right? This is about the paper one practical.